Hello, this is English Shorthand channel and the dictation speed is 100 words per minute, which is very helpful for all governmental exam.
5 seconds. Ready? Start. Speaking on the budget in the Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, first of all, let me congratulate the Finance Minister on the excellent budget that he has presented. It is difficult to frame a budget which will satisfy all sections of people because it is easy for anybody to say that this should have been done or that should have been done. But on the other hand, it is true that the resources of the state government are very limited. At the same time, the people want so many welfare activities to be undertaken. For done all these things, we require money and it has to come from taxes. If we remember all this, we will realize that it is really a difficult task for the finance minister. We know that any new taxation measure is criticized. Then, as regards the 5-year plan, it was surprising to hear one honorable member saying that there was no need to implement it. As we know, the 5-year plan has been put forward by the leaders of the nation. We are aware that the object of the 5-year plan is to raise the standard of living of the people. In this connection, I would like to point out that such a plan is necessary to raise the economic position of the common man and to improve his standard of living. It is for this purpose that the 5-year plan has been framed. The central government and the state government are very anxious to implement it. That is why the finance minister said that all these things had been done for the purpose of implementing the 5-year plan. Then, so far as medical aid in the state is concerned, I am aware that a lot of money is being spent on medical aid now. But so far as giving of medical relief to the villages is concerned, there must be a plan. I would suggest that there should be a target to be reached at the end of the 5 or 10 years. I would like that there should be a hospital or dispensary in every village. Then I come to education. I submit that provision has been made for enlarging the National Cadet Corps. I would suggest the opening of more National Cadet Corps. At the time of starting of this corps, there was some criticism, but now I am happy that this course has become popular. As a matter of fact, in every school, a large number of boys want to join it. But it is not possible because there is no provision for more National Cadet Corps. So, I would like to suggest that as far as possible, in every school and college, there should be a National Cadet Corps and all possible aid must be given to it by the government because it inculcates in the boys some amount of discipline and at the same time it gives the boys also some amount of character. In view of this, I request that more such courses may be started. Coming to agriculture, I see that a lot of being done. As a matter of fact, a great improvement has been made by the agriculture department in increasing food production. For this purpose, goods, seeds are given to the roids, but so far as the seeds are concerned, the agriculture department is giving seeds of all kinds of roids. One of them is the seeds which have been grown in the government farm itself, and another is the seeds which have been grown by the cultivators by taking the seeds given from the government farm. In this connection, I would like to point out that the seeds grown by the cultivators are said to be useless. It is said that the seeds that are grown in the government farm are useful and are taken by the people. But when these seeds are asked for, the department says that they are not available. So I would request the government to see that more seeds are given in the government farm itself. This can be done if necessary by even taking on lease or by acquiring the adjoining paddy fields. In this way, the cultivators may be able to get good seeds in which they may have confidence. This may be considered. With these few words, I once again congratulate the finance minister on the budget that he has presented and resume my seats.